Primary School, we acknowledge the traditional custodians of the land, the Bunurong people on which we stand today, and recognise their continuing connections to the land, water and culture.
We pay our respects to their elders past, present and emerging.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are one and free, with golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is good by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty, rich and rare. In history's page, let every state of birds Australia fair. In joyful strains, then let us sing of birds Australia fair.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to this week's Cranbourne East Primary School online assembly. I hope you're all going well out there. I'd like to share some news, and that is during the week, 10 of our Year 6 student leaders attended a reception hosted by the City of Casey at Bunjil Place, where they heard from a motivational speaker, Nathan Holes. And Nathan shared some incredible insights about his life, how he overcome adversity, disability, to achieve some wonderful, wonderful things. I would like to say a really big thank you to Miss Brander for organising that activity, and I'm still yet to catch up with a couple of students, but I'm really keen to hear how they found the day. My next message is about just a reminder, we've got a whole school disco next Wednesday evening. I'm really excited. I've got my beach shirt ready to go, and I certainly look forward to seeing different areas of the school attend different times. We have information around the school, but if you have any questions, please ask your teacher. Just a reminder to read every single day or every single night, even on weekends. Find something you really enjoy reading, find somewhere quiet and comfortable, and enjoy a little time flicking through the pages. And just a reminder of our students being on time for school. Expectation is that we want to see you here before the learning commences. We'd like to see you seated in your learning space, ready for the commencement of our first lesson each day. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, everybody. Stay safe. And just a reminder for those children that enjoy riding bikes around, just like me, make sure you wear your helmet, and please make sure the helmet is buckled up. All right, thanks everybody. Take care, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye now.
Our SWPBS goal for next week is we wear our school uniform. Our uniform is what you can see up on the screen, and you can see it in our school office. Don't forget, in terms 1 and term 4, you must wear your school hat.
Hi everyone. A few reminders from us school leaders.
We have noticed that people are stealing reward stickers. We are very disappointed, so please do not steal stickers.
We have also noticed that a few students have been smashing food in the toilets and the school grounds.
We do not tolerate this. It is a waste of food and is disgusting.
Thank you.
And lastly, students need to remember to respect school equipment
and make sure they're returning sport equipment to their classes and share it.
Hi everyone, who's ready to have some fun with this week's joke? It's getting close to Easter time, so I've gone with a little bit of a theme joke this week. Let's see how you go. What do you get when you cross a rabbit with a shellfish? 10 seconds thinking time, see if you can work it out. All right, what do you get when you cross a rabbit with a shellfish? An oyster bunny. I hope you liked that one. Have a great week. There's just one more week of school left before our Easter holidays, and we're all on the countdown. Have a wonderful, wonderful time, and I'll see you all soon.
The SRC here are going to tell you about the school disco.
It'll be on next week, Wednesday, the 5th of April.
5 p.m. to 6 p.m. is prep to year 2. 6:15 to 7:15 is year 3s and 4s. And 7:30 to 8:30 is year 5s and 6.
The entry fee for the disco on Wednesday, 5th of April is only $2, and the theme is beach theme.
Can't wait to see you at the disco next week. Bye!
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
You got a point. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, you got a point. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, same. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, should be. Two. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, Eva.
Space.
No.
Relax. 9 seconds.